Meat cleaver, easily recognizable and generally the biggest of all knives, is quite common in butchers' shops and meat lovers' kitchens. If you are unaware of what a meat cleaver, let me tell you that a meat cleaver is a knife that has a sharp and broad rectangular blade. It's available in many shapes, but the common blade shape is rectangle. Its size and look might be scary, but trust me, it is one of the most useful knives for you. Break down large pieces of meat, chunks with the meat cleaver in an easy manner with minimum effort. Trying to do this with smaller knives can take a lot of effort, time, and even worse, can cause an injury. Meat cleaver can be a very important part of your knife set. Many people think it is required only to chop the bones, but on the contrary, it can be used for chopping through thick meat and crushing vegetables too. Meat cleavers are best known for their durability. They are made of stainless steel, which makes them very durable. Also, steel remains rust-free and corrosion-free, which makes them a favorable metal for knives. It is also considered safe to use due to this reason. The wooden handle is sturdy enough to give you a good grip and makes it easier for you to chop meat or bones. Sharpening the cleaver is not an issue. It has a sharp edge, which does not require frequent sharpening. It can last you long, even without consistent sharpening seasons or buying a new knife at regular intervals. A sharp edge reduces significant money on maintenance and repairs. Chopping through thick meat and bones can be very tricky. It can take a lot of effort and time if tried through regular kitchen knives, but with a good meat cleaver, you can chop through bones and tough meat within seconds. You can also separate the ribs from the bones using the cleaver. This makes it the preferred knife at butcher shops. A meat cleaver can be used for a variety of tasks. It all depends on how adept you are at using the knife. You just need to know how much pressure to apply for each task. Once you gain that skill, using the meat cleaver for all your kitchen tasks will be a piece of cake. Of all the knives you may have in your kitchen, none is probably as well known by sight as the meat cleaver. It is one of the largest knives you are likely to purchase and, depending on its shape, can resemble a square-bladed hatchet. However, there is more to this knife than just being able to scare your family with its size and look. In fact, the weight of the meat cleaver makes it the perfect tool for breaking down large pieces of meat into manageable chunks and chopping tough vegetables that your smaller knives just can't handle. One way to grip your meat cleaver is to take hold of the handle close to the blade. From there, you will want to place your thumb on one side of the handle while curling your remaining fingers over the opposite side of the handle. Thanks for watching. Until next time.